Morning everyone. Now that you've made your wooden rulers, we're going to play a game called Reaction Time. You're going to work with a partner. Your partner's going to hold that ruler. You're going to put your fingers out this way. They're going to let that ruler go, and you're going to see how quickly you could catch it. You're going to do it 3 times and take the best of your 3 times. So in this case, I got 7 inches. You want to round to the nearest inch in this case, and then we're going to collect that set of data. We try it again. So this is your partner's hand. They let go. You try and catch it as quick as you can. Again, that was 7 inches. So we'll collect that set of data. Here are all of my values from the 29 kids that are in class. They dropped a ruler, and some caught it in 2 inches, some in 3 inches. I take all of these 29 values and I put them in a chart or T-bar. And this is called a frequency distribution. X is the actual value you stop the ruler at. So here's a ruler. You know, as you dropped it, if you caught it at a 4, that would be a value of a 4. And 3 kids did that. So X is the value, Y is the frequency, how often it occurred. I add up my Y column and I can see there are 29 total values. If I add up every one of those 29 values, and divide by 29, I get what's called the mean or the average. So the average is defined as the sum of all of the values divided by the number of values. In a frequency distribution like this, the other way to do it is I have 0 values of 1, so 0, 1 value of 2, 2, 2 values of 3, 3 values of 4, 6 values of 5, and I add all those up, and then I divide that by the 29 values to get the average of 6.3. The mode is the one that appears most frequently, so I can see I have 6 values of 5, so that's the mode. So mode is most frequent, mean or the average is the average value, which I add up all 29 values and divide by the number of values, and then the median is the middle value. So if I have 29 values, if I put them all in sequential order, the middle value would be the 15th value. So I could put them all in order, and I count up to the 15th value. There would be 14 values before that and 14 values after that. So the 15th value would be my middle value. Or I could look at cumulative frequency off of this and say, this is my first value. This is my second and third value. This right here, 4, is my 4th through 6th value, because there are 3 values of 4, so it's my 4th, 5th, 6th value. This is my 7th to 12th value. This is my 13th to 17th value. So I could see my median is going to be my 15th value. 15th value is right here, so my median value is 6. So my median is 6. I also take all of this data and I create a histogram. Put that in here. What a histogram is on the y-axis, it's how often it occurs, and x is the actual value. So what I'm saying here is I have 1 value of 2, no values of 1. I have 3 values of 4, 6 values of 5. This histogram is, if it starts to approach a bell curve, then it's considered a normal distribution, and there are a lot of properties and statistics that hold true for normal distributions. So if your average is in the middle, these are called your tails. If the histogram starts to approach a bell curve, then yes, it is a normal distribution. And this looks like a normal distribution with an average of about 6.3. a median of 6, and a mode of 5. Quick introduction to statistics.